think all of those are not only important to the way that we do work today, that we utilize that data, but I think it's also, if we start sort of future casting a little bit and think about, the application of AI into discovery,
Right.
and that early development phase, it is so important, so dependent, I should say, on the quality of the data and the volume. I mean, you need large data sets to really be to train models and to be able to
Right.
validate them. But you know, is that, I ask, maybe kind of knowing the answer a little bit, but is that starting to already, the use of AI starting to already penetrate into the work that you do now day to day, or is that still sort of on the sidelines waiting for it to get better quality data? Where is AI coming, in this data world?
Um, yeah, AI is coming whether we invite AI or not. AI is here. So I'm cautiously optimistic about AI. I think it has huge potential. But I think one of the other challenges that's not typically discussed is like when we are bringing in, just imagine, see, I have like three different modalities of data. See, I have genomic data, transcriptomic data, proteomic data,
Mhm,
and maybe single cell data. Then I have the clinical or phenomic data.
mhm,
The main question is comes like, who owns this paradigm? Whose domain is this, right? You can think like it can belong to a computational biologist. It can belong to a
yep,
bioinformatician. It can belong to an epidemiologist. It can belong to like an overall data scientist. And I think that also is something we need to sort out. And the answer is,
mm,
to me, is like it's not one person. It has to be a multidisciplinary approach. I actually advocate for a new breed of scientists, like which with understanding of every single area a bit and expertise in one area. It's happening, but not happening at scale yet. So, but we are starting to think about AI and use AI. I mean, machine learning has like we have used, but AI is more recently. When we say AI, we refer to LLMs and things like that. We're also thinking how to incorporate, and we cannot just wait for things to happen. We have to keep on doing things, and that might lead to a different path. I think that's the approach. Like, let's do piecemeal wise and see how useful that is, and then we can scale it up. I think that's what my approach would be.
a little bit hype right now, but whether we like it or not, we need to build that future. I think is the takeaway message there.